Hello, I am from Boston, which means I am American because Boston is one of many states in the United States of America. So, which means I am American. My first language is English, and I know some French, which means my second language is French. So, what about you? Have you ever asked or have you ever heard something like this? Have you ever heard someone who says, "Hi, I am from," for example, "I am from Tunis," which means I am Tunisian, my first language is, and my second language is. So, have you ever tried to introduce yourself in a different way? So I think today's video will be a bit different because I'm gonna talk about nationalities and cities and how to talk about or even how to introduce yourself in a different way and in a very easy way. So that's it. So this person is holding something and he is smiling. So hello, I am from Boston. So Boston is one of many states in the United States of America. So that means he is American. So he is American. He is from Boston, or even he could say, I come from Boston. So his nationality is American, and he talked about his first language and his second language. And the last thing in black, he asked us about, so what about you? In relation to me, I am from Egypt, which means I am Egyptian. My first language is Arabic and my second language is English. In addition to that, I am learning more than one language. I think that's all about me. So let's get started talk about nationalities and cities. Let's continue our lesson for today, and I'm sorry, this is the map of the world. So I think it's politics. It's a politics map. So unfortunately, it's written in Arabic. I have some other maquettes, I mean some globe terrestry, but I have also a globe terrestry in English. And I will show you this at the end of this video. But I think this is the most important thing. By the way, this is my room and I have also other things for anatomy, for respiratory system, okay? Because I am learning some anatomy to make my pronunciation better, you know? Okay, we have here hard palate, soft palate, diaphragm, esophagus, epiglottis. Oh, and here also I have some other maquettes here for the digestive system and also the respiratory system, if I am pronouncing it correctly. So let's continue what we have just started. So this is the map of the world. First of all, before talking about nationalities and cities and etc., first of all, you need to know some good information about the world. So let me tell you something, which is the whole world is divided into 7 continents, okay? So this is the map of the world, and here this world is divided into seven continents, or the whole world is divided into continents, and each continent, like here, each continent is divided into countries, and the country is divided into cities. Okay, the whole world is divided into 7 continents and 5 oceans. The first continent here is Asia, so this is called Asia. And also we have Africa, we have North America, South America, we have Antarctica here, and also we have Europe and we have Australia. So this one, the last continent, is called Australia. Okay, but we have also 5 oceans. Okay, we have the Pacific Ocean because here is a Pacific Ocean and also here is a Pacific Ocean. Because if we roll this map, uh, um, um, the map or even the earth will become rounded. Okay, here the Pacific Ocean, and also here and on the other side is the Pacific Ocean. Also we have the Atlantic Ocean here. Here's the Indian Ocean, and also we have Arctic Ocean here, and also we have another one but in the south. Okay, it's in the south, but unfortunately I have forgotten its name. Okay, these are five. Okay, also we can ask some good questions such as how many continents are in the world, how many oceans are in the world. But the most important thing for me is to know that we have there are some continents which are called the continents of the ancient world, and also we have the continents of the new world. According or we have here Asia. So Asia, Africa, and Europe are called the continents of the ancient world because these were the first continents for human race to live in it. Okay, so Asia, Africa, and Europe are called what? The continents of the ancient world. Okay, we have North America, South America, also we have Antarctica, and Australia are called the continent of the New World. So how many continents are there in the ancient world? There are three continents. How many continents are there in the New World? There are four continents. And I think 3 plus 4 equals 7. So there are 7 continents in the whole world. Okay, this is, and also we have 5 oceans in the world. Also we have some other basic information, which is the first question is which is the largest continent in the ancient world. So the largest continent in the ancient world is Asia. So this is Asia. But the smallest continent in the ancient world is Europe. So this is Europe. Here we have Belarusia, Finland, Ukraine. Okay, this all of these. So this is Europe. So what is the largest continent in the New World? So the largest continent in the New World is North America. What is the smallest continent in the New World? It's Australia. It's Australia. So let me make all of these questions in a different way, which is what is the largest continent in the whole world? It's Asia. So what is the smallest continent in the whole world? It's Australia. Okay, it's Australia. Let me just give you some more or even some other good information. So what is the largest city? What is the largest city in Asia? So the largest city in Asia is Russia. So this is Russia. So what is the smallest city? I'm sorry, not city, I mean country. So what is the largest country in Asia? It's Russia. What is the smallest country in Asia? It's Maldives. It's Maldives Island. Okay, here, Mali, here. It's Maldives Island. So what is the largest country in Africa? It's Algeria. What is the smallest country in Africa? It's here, I think it's a Seychelles Island here. This is Seychelles Island, okay? What is the largest country in Europe here? I think it's Ukraine. Here it's Ukraine. So what is the smallest country in Europe? It's Vatican, but it's a city. So Vatican, it's a city and it's located in Italy, okay? But it's a country, it's a city, and according or also in addition to it's a city, it's also a country, okay? What is the largest country in North America? It's Canada. So it's Canada. So what is the largest country in South America? It's Brazil. And the smallest one is called the Suriname. Okay? It's called the Suriname. Okay, I think that's it. Here are some good questions. Okay, what is the largest ocean in the world? It's the Pacific Ocean. It's the Pacific Ocean. And the smallest ocean in the world, it's the Arctic Ocean. Here in the north, it's what? It's the Arctic Ocean. So let me just make some other thing, which is tell me about the continents, but according to, I mean from largest to the smallest. Here, Asia, Africa, North America, South America. I think here we have Europe and Australia. By the way, Europe continent is larger than Australia. And also we have Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean. We have here the South Ocean, and the last one is Arctic Ocean. Arctic Ocean, okay? If you asked me how to talk about nationality, to talk about nationality, first of all, you need to know how we ask someone about his nationality. We have more than one option. The first question is, what is your nationality? The second question is, what nationality are you? The third question is, where are you from? And the fourth question is, where do you come from? And also the verb is an auxiliary verb, is verb to be, okay? We use verb to be. Okay, and also we can use an auxiliary verb to ask someone if he looks familiar to us. Like, for example, I can ask someone, are you from Algeria? Or do you come from Algeria? Okay, something like this. These are the question. And to express your nationality, you need to know I am from, then say the country I am from, or even not the country. We can replace country with the continent. So I am from Africa. So I am Egypt. I am from Egypt, or I come from Egypt, which means I am Egyptian. So an auxiliary verb to be followed by what? Followed by an adjective, because nationality is an adjective. So I am from Africa, I come from Egypt. I am from Egypt, which means I am Egyptian. Then talk about your first language, your second language. If you know some other languages, you can mention them. Okay, I have noticed something, which is in the end of the nationality. I think each nationality supposed to end with three letters, IAN, like American, Egyptian, Algerian, Tunisian, Moroccan, something like this. And also it can end with three letters, which are ESE, like China, Chinese, Chinese, Japanese, Taiwanese, Senegalese, okay, Sudanese, Lebanese. And also it ends with something like I am Kuwaiti, I am Emirati, I am Bahraini, okay. And I can remember anything else. Okay, think that's it. For example, I am from Russia, which means I am Russian. I am from Mongolia, I am Mongolian. I am from China, I am Chinese. Here, I am from Algeria, I am Algerian. I am from Chad, I am Chadian. I am from Egypt, I am here what? I am Egyptian. Okay, I am from Angola, I am Angolan. I am from Zambia, I am Zambian. I am from Namibia, I am Namibian. Okay, I am from Sudan, I am Sudanese. I am from Libya, I am Libyan. And I mean ISH, like Turkish. I am Turkey, I am from Turkey, so I am Turkish. I am Polish, I am Finnish, I am Irish, or even you can say I am Dutch, I am Dane. So I am Dutch, I am from Holland. I am Dane, I am from Denmark. Okay, here I am Norwegian, I am Sweden, I am Albanian, I am Italian, I am Spanish, I am Romanian, I am Ukrainian. Okay, here I am Canadian, I am American, I am Mexican, I am Brazilian, I am Argentinian, I am Venezuelan. Okay, here I am Australian. But pay attention, we have two similar words. It's something like homophones, Australia and Australia. Australia is a country which is located in Europe. It's a country, but Australia is a continent. So I am from Australia means I come from Australia, the continent of Australia. But I am from Austria, it means I am from Europe. I come from Europe because it's a country in Europe, okay? I think that's it to even to talk about. So I have give you some tips to ask about nationalities and even talk about nationalities. And thanks a million for watching. These are also globe touristry. So this one, I mean this one on the left is bigger than the one on the right. Okay, this is the blue one. This is the smallest one. It's written in Arabic here. Okay, it's all written in Arabic, and also here the biggest one is written in English. It helped me a lot to learn the names of the continents and country in English. Okay, here. Okay, we have all things here. Okay, this is the largest ocean in the world. I mean, this is the Pacific Ocean. Okay, it's divided into north and west. Okay, these are the globe, or these are my globe. Also, they helped me a lot when I was studying geography.